May bagong haircut ka noon, oh. Bago yun. Pretty. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and today, may bago na naman haircut. Pupunta sa barbershop. Tsaka last year ko to, 2024. Tapos yung every month of November. Alam mo yung scene. Meron natin yung pagkatapos, yung sa pag-mission mo. Yung pagkaapon, every miles a day. Sa coming soon, November 9, 2024, tsaka ako birthday, it's my 14, tsaka celebrate na ako, it's your special day. Coming soon in December 2024, and this is coming for 2025 January. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace. Bye-bye.